Hi, welcome to Vision Classes. It's classes for IGCSE, AS and A level student around the globe. So today we have to discuss the paper 2 AS level question. It's from February March 2020. 5 means this year paper. So our regular batches classes are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Fine. So here explain what is meant by the accuracy of measured value. So accuracy is basically how close measured value to the accepted value or nearer to the accepted value. If there is no precision, we have to repeat the process again and again and again to get the accuracy. That's a method. Fine. So here for 1 mark, what you will write? How close measured value is. That's a accuracy. Fine. Then two solids A and B are measured to determine the density of the material, and the measurement of the cube A is given here. The quantity and measurement lengths are given and mass are also given. Alright, show that the density of the material of cube A is 8.7 times 10 to the power of 3. So I hope you might be knowing that the density of any material rho is equal to m by v. Fine. Here we have a cube, so volume of the cube is m upon L cube. Alright, so firstly calculate the L cube, which is 1.53 times bracket cube. So this is here length of the each side of the cube is given. Alright, so here this will be 3.58177. Alright, and if you substitute here, rho is equal to mass is 31.3 upon 3.58177. okay, and here mass is in gram, isn't it? And we have to take in the kilogram, and then this is in centimeter length, so we have to take it in actually meter. So whatever the calculation we will get is basically 8.7 times 39 gram per centimeter cube we will get, and here just you have to multiply by 10 to the power of 3 to get in the form of kg per meter cube. Alright, so it's a 8.739 times 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube. That's it. That's the answer. Fine, and that is what we have to show here. Then calculate the percentage uncertainty in the density of material cube, material of a cube A. Alright, so percentage density uncertainty or in density basically, which is equal to, we have a percentage of mass plus, now L cube is there, yeah, here. So for L cube 3 times percentage of, fine, percentage of length, which is equal to, now we have, the percentage of mass we have to calculate, so which is 0.5 from this value here. This one we have to substitute as it is, divided by 31.3 plus 3 times length is basically, we have 0.01 divided by 1.53. That's it. Okay, and here this bracket whole multiply by 100 because we have to calculate percentage uncertainty. Yeah, so if you calculate this one, we'll get it as a 3.6 percentage. Fine, this is percentage uncertainty. Now the third part, the density of material of cube B is determined to be 9.2 times 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube plus minus 6%. Percentage is the percentage uncertainty is given. So state and explain whether cube A and cube B could be made from the same material or not. We have to check. Alright, so to check this one, firstly calculate the range of cube B, range of density of the cube B. Fine, so for cube B, range of density, fine, which will be equal to 9.2 times 10 to the power of 3 plus here minus 0.06. yeah, and if you do this calculation, hold this calculation, you will get as a, if you subtract this one 0.06, it will be 864829 kg per meter cube will be the value. Alright, and then for cube B we have already calculated, cube A we have calculated range, which is here 8.739 times 10 to the power of 3 plus minus here 0.036, and if you do this calculation in your calculator, it's a 8429 to 9 0.056 kg per meter cube. Fine. Now, if you look at this whole, this two part, just I will highlight the cube A density, cube B density. So all the values of means the range of density of A lies inside this density. Fine. So the cube B having density range is greater than the cube A. It means cube A is even we can utilize the same material. Fine. So answer for this one straight away is that the cube A and B could be of same material. Fine. Same material. That's it. This is how means we have to write the conclusion as well. I hope you understood this explanation step by step. So suppose if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Fine. I will try my best to answer them. Thank you. Enjoy the physics.